Hi, it's Glenn Byrne with the Maker Hive. I'm going to try and solve an issue I've been having with my circular saw. If anybody has any experience with a saw, they know that sometimes these guards can be a little problematic. They like to wedge into the cut. If you're cross-cutting like this, it's usually okay. But it becomes an issue sometimes when you just have to shave off the end. This guard won't always retract correctly. Part of that's due to not having the depth set right. Other issues can be if you're cutting at an angle on an angled piece like this, the guard wants to follow that angle and get wedged into the cut instead of kicking open. Anyway, sometimes it's an issue. There's certain cuts that I want to make, and I don't always have my free hand to flip this open while I'm making the cut, or hold it open to start the cut, or what have you, or if I'm drop cutting or something. I don't always have this hand free. So I'm going to try and modify this a little bit to make a little catch to hold this open for me, but not be something that I have to unbolt. Something easy that I can just flip this and it'll retract back. And try and do all that on this non-sponsored tool here.